take its toll, ringing over the phone. A storm brewing on your tongue. Won't you wait? Hear what I have to say. Give a chance to explain. Though you say you bled to keep us aflame, don't you know I care, just in a different way. I know you're better now than having me around. Probably found someone who keeps you safe and sound. Still I can't help feeling so sad. I should have been that, my bad. Some city lights, it felt so much more alive. Now the grace stuck in a static haze, keep humming your name. Even streets I knew feel strange without you. Had so much to lose, I was such a fool. I know you're better now not having me around. High up on your love, I can't wait.